So today I'm doing an unboxing of an Insignia HDMI cable. This HD cable is 9 feet and it has 1080p video resolution, 10.2 gigabytes per second, deep color, lossless audio formats, and lip sync. UL certified for in-wall installations, whatever. So I like how full HD 1080p, and this box I like how it actually has a little thing that you could open it by the corner. I might not need this knife. I might need it. So here it is, Insignia 9-foot HDMI cable. It's actually, I like this cable. It's really long, and it looks like it's nice quality cable. Doesn't look like one of those piece of crap cables, even though Insignia, I mean, they're not really that good of a brand, but I guess for making wires and stuff, they're pretty good, because this wire seems pretty nice. Got some, I guess, fake gold, because I doubt anybody put real gold connectors on the end. There you have it. I got this cable specifically for my PlayStation 3. I am getting in a couple days. So keep watching, subscribe for that video. Thanks.